This is going to be about basket trading, where you say sell all the Euro pairs or buy all the JPY pairs. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about there. This was kind of a big deal a while back. Uh, I'll post all this code. There's a whole lot of it. It's going to take me a while. I'll post all this code, the MQ4 also, over on enivids site, earnforex.com. And I'll put a link to the thread in the description of this video once I get that going. A lot of people talk about find one thing that works and stick with it. Don't float from system to system like a butterfly and that sort of stuff. Well, I'm kind of the opposite. There's no telling how many things a day I think of. Next thing you know, I'm putting it into code just to see if it'll work. If it works, well, good. If it don't, well, okay, well, it didn't. I see it as nothing more than, you say a house builder. He built an A-frame house, and it went over big, and then all of a sudden, he started selling a lot of them. Well, at some point, people aren't going to want an A-frame house. They're going to want some other type. So wouldn't he be better off if he kind of looked around, studied on building some other type while he was still building A-frames? Or a band that writes a song. Are they just going to live off of that one song? Wouldn't it be better if they continued to write other songs too? I see it the same way. So me, I always kind of looking for the next thing. Right or wrong, that's the way I do it. This is one of those things here from years ago that I kind of went off on, I guess. This is the Awesome Oscillator. And I only use the Awesome Oscillator because me and Trade Chaser have been talking about it lately. This is the GBP JPY pair. A lot of people like trading that. The thought with Awesome Oscillator, I'm sure you know, is when it crosses above 0, you buy. The price is supposed to go up. When it crosses below 0, you sell. Price is supposed to go down. And when you're basket trading, imagine having this is, without getting too technical into it, this is, if you're familiar with the CCFP indicator, I'll post that over there on enivids site also. This is the JPY buffer. What it is, it's kind of calculating the strength of all the JPY pairs, or the weakness of all the JPY pairs. If you had an AO cross and you wanted to buy, wouldn't it give you a little more confidence if you knew all or most of the JPY pairs agreed with that? Think in terms of basket trading. So you're going to buy or sell them all. This is the Awesome Oscillator. All 7 Awesome Oscillators of the JPY pairs combined. If the Awesome Oscillator of all of them combined is going up, wouldn't it give you a little bit more faith in that? And you can continue on with this. You could combine the stochastic on all of them. You could combine the MAC on all of them, the RSI, QQE. You could combine all the indicators, so you would be looking at the whole package deal, like the RSI of all the pairs, JPY pairs combined. And that's what these indicators would be about. It'll be like combination indicators, if you want to think about it. And the only reason why I did that was just to kind of give me some more faith, because if you got a signal and you're wishy-washy on it, you're not going to do good. But if you've got a signal and you got a lot of faith in it, I tend to do better. If I'm not comfortable with it, I'm better off not even looking at something else. I'm better off not even dealing with it. I'll post all this over there on enivids site, earnforex.com. All the code and all that kind of stuff and some charts. If it's of value to you, it's mostly for basket trading. And I'll start with just a JPY. But if it's of value to you, you might want to look at it.